Developing an online course is one thing, but building a dedicated community is a whole other ballgame. Even with the lessons and quizzes ready to go, you've still got to build a functional website, promote it, and manage everything. That's why you need a platform designed to make course building, community building, and money making as easy as a BC. Meet EzyCourse. Build your own white label website with 250 plus themes to sell courses, services, products, and more. Create membership plans, subscription models, and paid communities for your online courses. Create and sell your courses, services, products, or online communities from one platform. Meet EzyCourse, your all-in-one online course platform that simplifies online teaching. Say goodbye to managing multiple tools and subscriptions. With EzyCourse, you can streamline your course creation, marketing, and delivery in one powerful platform. From building courses, communities, and funnels to scheduling appointments and selling digital products, EzyCourse has got you covered. Save time and money by consolidating all your online business needs into one comprehensive platform. Get paid for your courses, products, and your time. Sell almost anything. Powerful Course Builder. Build your courses and bundle courses smoothly and easily using our built-in Course Builder. Smart and flexible pricing. Set up one-time, subscription, or smart tiered pricing. Create unlimited private or group chat. Keep your students engaged with helpful private or group chats. Chats are integrated with the web and mobile apps so that your students never miss anything. Offer private coaching or mentoring through these chats. Create unlimited events. Create unlimited events and appointments with our booking feature. Schedule however you want. Set up booking pricing. No more manual work. You can take payment for appointments before confirming the booking. Easily manage appointments and notify users prior to appointment time. Sell digital products. Create unlimited digital products and ship them to your students. Manage products easily from your dashboard. Sell physical products. Create unlimited physical products and ship them to your students. Manage products easily from your dashboard. EzyCourse Overview. EzyCourse is an all-in-one platform for selling courses, services, and products with custom landing pages and email marketing. Launching online courses, selling products, and creating membership plans for users is a breeze with EzyCourse. This course builder gives you everything you need to create comprehensive courses complete with lessons and chapters. You can develop all kinds of class materials including video lessons, audio tracks, PowerPoints, PDFs, and surveys. Plus, you'll even be able to set up dynamic quizzes for your students, with results displaying in your dashboard. EzyCourse has a simple drag and drop builder, so you can build your own white label website to start promoting your products and services online. You'll get access to over 250 website templates and interactive blocks to create dynamic landing pages without writing any code. As a developer, you can even contribute custom blocks and templates to the design library to make some extra cash. EzyCourse also lets you automate email sequences with event-based triggers like course completion and new enrollment. You'll be able to segment your email list into unique audiences, so your communication always feels personalized. Best of all, you can send an unlimited number of emails without having to worry about email credits or extra fees. You'll be able to connect with students in a Facebook-like community that makes learning super fun and engaging. This platform makes it easy to create free or premium communities that you can bundle with any course or product. And you can customize membership plans and pricing options, like monthly and yearly subscriptions, to monetize your time. Trying to bootstrap all the coding for your course is bound to land you in a world of glitches. Lucky for you, EzyCourse helps you build websites for courses, products, and services without all the technical mumbo-jumbo. Create and sell anything online. EzyCourse features included in all plans. Lifetime access to EzyCourse. All future unlimited plan updates. 60-day money-back guarantee. Unlimited students. Unlimited pages and menus. Unlimited custom forms. Unlimited communities. Unlimited instructor accounts. Unlimited lead automation. Custom domain, custom form builder, multi-level affiliate program, unlimited channels per community, community subscription pricing, your own storage API. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to EzyCourse today. One-time purchase of $49 only.